Hello, my name is Elfas Masibo and I'm going to do course introduction for workshop technology. So in workshop technology, it's a course or a unit that enables students to have basic skills to operate different machines. So in this topic, we have 6 modules that we'll be going to look at. So our first module, we have workshop safety and maintenance. And in workshop safety and maintenance, we shall look at a couple of activities. We have industrial safety. We have also hazard identification, general safety rules. We have PPE protocols, correct selection and usage of PPE. Have emergency responses like fire safety procedures, classes of fire, how to use fire extinguishers, first aid, and housekeeping management. In housekeeping, this is where you implement the 5S system to organize tools and maintain a clean workshop. So we have the second module whereby we'll be looking at engineering materials, where we'll look at the introduction to engineering materials, their properties and their functions. Shall also look at ferrous metals, properties of cast iron, mild steel and stainless steel, extraction and their application. Shall also look at non-ferrous metals, characteristics and industrial use of aluminium, copper, brass and bronze. Then we shall look at non-metallic materials like polymers, composites, ceramics and wood. Then we shall finish with heat treatment, that is annealing, hardening and tempering. So in module 3, just basically about work bench and fitting shop. This is a module that helps learners to know how to use different tools in our workshop. And in tools we have hand tools, have power tools, have different types of tools, and like we have use of files, hacksaws, chisels and scrubbers and hammers. We also have fitting operation like precision of filing, chipping, rimming and calculations of some measurements like on the vernier caliper and micrometer screw gauge. So and then on module 4 we shall be looking about machine shop operation or machine operation. Then we have different types of machine, have lathe machine, have drilling machine, have milling and grinding machine. So all those machines we shall look at their the operation and their function and different parts of those machines in this module. So we also have metal joining process. Basically it is welding. In other words, we call it welding. So have our first topic will be gas welding, where we shall be looking at oxide drilling, welding equipment on flame types and cast cutting techniques. And then we have arc welding, where we shall be joining sheet metal, arc welding electrodes. And then have safety practices, solid state and allied joining. So we shall be the principle of soldering and brazing. So in module 6 we shall look at sheet metal work, where we shall look at topic layout and development of and creating of flat patterns from 3Ds. Then forming operation, that's cutting, shearing, bending, folding and rolling sheet metals. So at the end of this module, so also in this module we shall have quizzes, end of module assessments that will enable our learners to be engaged as they continue learning this topic should also have videos and discussion forums. So at the end of this module, our students should be able to operate a certain machine, use a fire extinguisher and other components that are found in a workshop. Thank you. Let's meet in topic 1 of workshop technology. Thank you.